Hi, welcome back to our channel. Close your eyes for a second. Now imagine leaving Earth. You pass the clouds. The sky fades to black. And suddenly, you're floating in the vast emptiness of space. No sound. No gravity. No boundaries. Just an endless universe filled with mysteries we're only beginning to understand. But here's the truth. Space is far stranger and far more terrifying than we ever imagined. Today we're exploring the top 10 shocking facts about space. Facts so unbelievable, they might change the way you see reality itself. 10. Space is completely silent. In movies, space is loud, explosions, engines, chaos. But in reality, it's silent, because sound needs air to travel, and space has none. If two stars collided right in front of you, you wouldn't hear a thing. Just pure silence. A kind of silence so deep, it feels unnatural. 9. A day on Venus is longer than a year. On Earth, a day is 24 hours, but on Venus, a single day lasts 243 Earth days, longer than its entire year. Imagine celebrating your birthday, before the sun even sets once. Time and space doesn't follow the rules we're used to. 8. There are more stars than grains of sand. Try to imagine every beach on Earth. Now picture every grain of sand. Even that number is smaller than the number of stars in the universe. Scientists estimate there are hundreds of billions of galaxies, each one filled with billions of stars. The scale isn't just big, it's almost impossible to comprehend. 7. You can't cry in space. Even something as simple as crying changes in space. Without gravity, tears don't fall. Floating bubbles that stick to your face. Astronauts have described it as uncomfortable, even painful. It's a small reminder that in space, even basic human experiences are completely different. 6. A spoon of a neutron star weighs billions of tons. Neutron star. When massive stars collapse, they form neutron stars. These objects are so dense that a single teaspoon of their material would weigh billions of tons. To put that into perspective, it's like compressing an entire mountain into something that fits in your hand. Space doesn't just stretch reality. It crushes it. 5. There's a giant cloud of alcohol in space. Floating near the center of our galaxy is a massive cloud filled with alcohol molecules. It spans hundreds of light years and contains enough alcohol to fill trillions of bottles. Of course, it's not drinkable, but it proves something fascinating. The universe is filled with familiar elements in very unfamiliar ways. 4. Black holes can bend time. Black holes are where physics breaks down. Their gravity is so intense, they don't just pull in matter. They warp space and time itself. Near a black hole, time slows dramatically. Spend a few hours there, and years could pass back on Earth. It's not science fiction, it's reality. The sun is almost everything. Our sun contains about 99.8% of all the mass in the solar system. Earth, Mars, Jupiter, all the moons and asteroids. Together, they make up less than 1%. It's a reminder that we're orbiting something unimaginably powerful. 2. A planet made of diamonds. 55 Cancri E. About 40 light-years away. There's a planet scientists believe could be made largely of diamond. Extreme pressure and carbon-rich composition may have transformed its surface into crystal. An entire planet, worth more than anything on Earth. In space, even wealth takes on a new meaning. 1. The universe is expanding faster than ever. And now, the most mind-blowing fact. The universe is expanding. Galaxies are moving away from each other, constantly. But here's the twist. The expansion is speeding up, which means one day, distant galaxies could move so far away, they disappear from view forever. The universe isn't just big, it's getting bigger every second. Space doesn't just show us what's out there, it shows us how small we really are. Every star, every galaxy, every mystery reminds us that we're just a tiny part of something infinite. Which fact amazed you the most? And if you had the chance, would you explore space? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this journey beyond Earth, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because the next video might take you even deeper into the unknown.